Let's learn how you can recover WhatsApp deleted chats. So let us start by opening our WhatsApp application. Now you want to go to settings and then click on chats option. Then click on chat backup and backup your chats right now. Then go back, open settings application, go to your iCloud, then press iCloud once again, go to saved to iCloud and make sure you have enabled WhatsApp. Then go back again and click on Drive, App Syncing, and enable WhatsApp again. Now, when you have backup your chats, hold WhatsApp and click on Remove Application. So your WhatsApp will be deleted. You want to reinstall it, and when you log in back to your account, pop-up will appear about restoring your messages. Have in mind that this is the only way, and if you didn't update your deleted messages before, they cannot be recovered. So that's it. Thanks for watching.